Hello everyone. Children, today I am teaching ICSE Standard 10 Maths, Exercise 18. The chapter is Angle and Cyclic Properties of a Circle. Before starting the chapter, first we have to learn about the properties of the circle. So, what is a circle? A circle is a closed curve which moves with the geometrical condition. What is that geometrical condition? This is center, this is radius. The line passing through the center is known as diameter. 2 points on the circumference which is joined by the straight line is known as chord. Okay, and this is known as major segment. This is known as minor segment. What is the meaning of segment? The portion which is lying in between the chord and the arc is known as segment. So this is a major segment. This is a minor segment. This is the arc. This is the chord. Let us start the properties of a circle. First property. This is a circle. This is a chord. This is a center. This is known as center angle. This is known as circumference angle. Suppose this angle is theta. It should be theta by 2. Or this angle is 25. What is this angle? 50. Why? I'll write center angle is, or the angles obtained at the center is double the circumference angle. You can say the angle obtained at the circumference is half of the center angle. If AOB angle is 50 degree, then ACB angle is 25 degree, because the circumference angle is half of the center angle. You have to write the properties. Second property, I told you the line joining through the center is known as diameter. This is O. ACB angle 90 degree. Why? Angle lying on the circumference is angle lying on the diameter is 90 degree, or angle lying on the semicircle is 90 degree, because we can say that diameter divide the circle into equal halves. This is one semicircle, this is one semicircle. Angle lying on the diameter, don't write. This is angle lying on the semicircle is 90 degree. Third property. This is a chord, this is a arc, therefore this is known as segment. If this angle is theta, this should be theta, this should be theta. Why? Reason is angle lying on the same segments are equal. Then fourth property. What is a cyclic quadrilateral? If 4 points lie on the circumference and they are joined by the straight line, it is known as cyclic quadrilateral. The sum of the opposite angle is cyclic quadrilateral. Sum of the opposite angle of the cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary, or this 2 is, I can write BAD plus BCD is 180, or ABC plus ADC is 180. Why? Sum of the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. Okay, this is the first property. Center angle is a double the circumference angle, or circumference angle is half of the center angle. Angle lying on the semicircle is 90 degree. Angle lying on the same segments are equal. Fourth is angle, sum of the angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. Then fifth point, is A, B, C, D, E. This angle is equal to this angle. This angle is equal to this angle. Why? Exterior, this is a cyclic quadrilateral. A, B, C, D, they are lying on the circumference. So, exterior angle of the cyclic quadrilateral is equal to interior angle of that cyclic quadrilateral. Or this is equal to this one. You can write. We'll start now numericals. I am doing exercise 18, question number 1. We have to find out AOC angle. Before doing, I will join this. Now children, you see that OB is equal to OA. Why? These are red eye. So therefore I can write OAB angle is equal to OBA angle, that is equal to 30 degree. As these are radius, therefore opposite angle must be equal, hence I will write this is. So AOB angle, this is we are getting 30 degree. Similarly in BOC triangle, I can write OB is equal to OC, red eye, then OCB is equal to OBC, 40 degree. Now you got ABC angle is equal to 30 plus 40, 70 degree. Now children, I can write AOC angle is equal to 70 into 2, 140 degree. Why children? I'll write, you imagine it, if I'll join this is a center angle, this is a circumference angle. I told you the angle subtends at the center is double the circumference angle. Hence I'll write 2 into 70, 140. You will write angle subtends at the center is double the circumference angle. Okay. Now children, I am doing question number 3. This is number 3. Now we have to find out ACO angle and then CAO angle. Now look at this children. You can write that if I'll join this one, this is a center angle, this is a circumference angle. Hence I'll write ACO is 110 by 2. 55 degree. Children, you will write the reason. The angle subtends at the circumference is half of the center angle. Okay. Now CAO. We can write OC is equal to OA, radii of the circle. Hence, I can write OC is equal to OA. I can write OAC is equal to OCA, that is equal to 55 degree. Why children? If the radii are equal, opposite angle is equal. Therefore, I'll write CAO is 55 degree. Okay? Now children, I am doing question number 5. This is 52, this is 43. Now we have to find out ADB, second bit, BAC, third bit, ABC. Now see children, I will find out, I will see that this is the chord, AB is the chord, ACB angle is lying there, 52. On that AB, which angle is lying? ADB. Check it. AB is the chord. This angle is lying. On the AB chord, this angle is lying. Hence, I'll write 52. Why? 52 because angle lying on the angle lying on the same segments are equal. Clear? You see AB is the chord, on AB ACB line, on AB ADB is line. Hence this is equal. Now BAC, BAC. On BC, this angle is lying. On BC, BDC angle is lying. Therefore, I will write 43. This is 43. Same reason. On BC, this angle is lying. On BC, this angle is lying. Hence, that is 43. Now, we have to find out ABC. Children, look at this. A, B, C, D is a cyclic quadrilateral because they are lying on the circle. Hence, it is a cyclic quadrilateral. I will write ADC angle is 43 plus 52. That is 52. 95 degree. Now, ABC angle is 180 minus 95. That is why? Because we know that this angle plus this angle is 180. Sum of the opposite angle of a cyclic quadrilateral is 180 or supplementary. Therefore, I am subtracting from 180. You will write sum of opposite angle of cyclic quadrilateral is supplementary. Okay. Therefore, ABC is 85 degree. Now, children, I will do question number 8. This angle is 140. We have to find out BAC. Now, children, can I write ACB angle is 90 degree because this is a diameter. On the diameter, this angle is lying. Hence, you will write angle lying on the semicircle is 90 degree. Okay. Now you got this is 90 degree. I can write ABC angle is 180 minus 140. Why? Because you see that 1, 2, 3, 4 they are lying on the circumference. Hence it is a cyclic quadrilateral. Therefore, I will write ABC is equal to 40 degree. You will write cyclic quadrilateral. Okay. You got this is 40 degree. Hence, CAB angle, or question is asking BAC. Therefore, I will write BAC. BAC angle is sum of the angle of a triangle is 180. Therefore, I will write 180 minus 90 plus 40. That is 180 minus 130, 50 degree. Okay. You will write it is sum of the angle of a triangle is 180 degree. Now, children, I am doing question number 10. find out x and y, and we have to prove that it is giving that AOC is 160 degree. We have to prove that 3y minus 2x is equal to 140. See, you imagine it, if I will join it, this is a center angle, this is a circumference angle, hence I'll write x equal to 160 by 2, 80 degree. You will write angle subtends at the circumference, you will write is half of the center angle. Okay, you got x equal to 80 degree. X plus y is equal to 180. Why? It is a cyclic quadrilateral. Cyclic quadrilateral. X value is 80. Y value I will write. Now y is equal to 180 minus 80, that is 100 degree. Now we have to prove that LHS 3y minus 2x. 3 y value is 100 minus 2 into x value is 80, that is 300 minus 160 degree, that is equal to 140 degree. Hence proved. Okay. Then children, I am doing question number 12. O is the center, this is P, this is 120, this is 25. Now you have to find out ADB. You see children, I can write BPC angle. BPC angle is 180 minus 120, 60 degree. Why? Linear pair of the property. This one, linear pair. You got this angle is 60 degree, this angle is 25, hence I can write BCP angle 180 minus 60 plus 25, that is 180 minus 85, 95 degree. Now question is giving ADB. ADB angle is 95. Why? You see that this is a chord, this is a angle, this is a chord, this is a angle. So you write angle lying on the same segment. Same segment. Okay. Rest of the sums I will do in next video. Okay. Thank you.